Ladies and gentlemen, I am the Fabulous 95, and today we're going to be taking a look at the drag racing Lightning McQueen with, as you can see, when the wheels turn, the pistons move. So, on the front, you see Lightning McQueen with his drag racing attire. You see the pistons, you see his RXS. The flames on the side of the McQueen. Bigger back wheel than front, RXS. Some sponsors, Lightning McQueen. A different type of wing than normal. The anti-roll bars in the back. And you see the drag racing. And the cars logo. On the back, you see Cruz Ramirez, Jackson Storm, Tim Treadless. And I forgot your name, but you could at least name them. The Extreme Racing Series, XRS, is a high-octane competition that takes racing to the next level. The second event of the series, drag racing, features blistering acceleration and an all-out sprint to the finish line. Lightning McQueen and his friends will reach their ultimate top speeds, leaving nothing but smoke in their tracks as extreme drag racers. So let's get this thing milked. Let's start the review of this guy once my camera loads. There we go. So, you can see, just by looking at him to begin with, he's a lot different from a normal Lightning McQueen diecast. A lot different. Which, some of it's actually really cool. Like, let's start with the front. The front, yes, they're basically the exact same mold, but instead of his Rusties, he's got the XRS logo. He's got his little 95 down there, which I actually enjoy. And I feel like he's got cooler lightning bolts. The piston moving thing is cool, too. Yep, all of them move when all the tires are moving. Which is really cool. This side, you see the XRS, the flames coming out of the pipes, which are really cool. I like the big back tire that they have, and how, like, on the underside, they actually show, like, what they did to make him like this. You see his anti-roll bars, and a little boot, his parachute, because the thing about drag racing is that they go up blistering top speeds. They don't have brakes. I'm not sure that I don't think they have brakes, but they use a parachute to stop, which sometimes the parachute can catch on fire, which I guess is bad to say, but I'm sorry. Anyway, they added a cool little decal to his lightning bolt, as you can see in this. Why does he look pinkish? Will this camera load, please? They added like a cool little extra thing to his lightning bolt. You see his 95 on the back. And that's going to be it for the diecast. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Guys, I'm trying to get 400 by the end of January here. So, if that's possible, let's do this right. So, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you have not already. And, I'm about to say, 360 Beyblade, good channel. Go subscribe. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.